It's been a heck of a day. It's been really, really busy. But then right at the end of the day, the Surface laptop that I've been waiting for all week has shown up. So I thought I'd do a quick unboxing. So this is one of the fancy new Copilot Plus Surface laptops. The 7th generation off the top of my head. I don't know. Like I said, it's been a busy day. And if you watched any of my other unboxings, you know how this goes. I very much just do it as I find it. No particular camera cuts or edits. So if I have a coughing fit in the middle of this, well, you're along for the ride. If this explodes, then it can be used as evidence in the trial against Microsoft. Hopefully not that bit, though. So Microsoft said they're using a lot more recycled paper and cardboard and stuff in their packaging. It's nice to see. But they still wanted to have this kind of premium opening experience. I sort of get that. And beneath all this fancy dancy paper, which I'm being a little bit more careful of than I suspected a lot of people would, but then this is a review model. It's got to go back in a fortnight. So I'm just trying to be nice, really, to the next person who might have it in line so that they can have the premium experience or near to the premium experience too. And yeah, I mean, look, it's a Surface laptop. I wasn't actually expecting much different. There'll be a bit of paper in there, and indeed there is, and of course it wants to start setting itself up, which I will do when I've actually finished making this video. In fact, I'm just going to close that. I did say I was doing this ad hoc as I went, didn't I? And I'm not expecting too many surprises in here either. So yeah, we have our standard Surface charger. Of course, that's still as it has been since like the original generation of Surfaces, basically. We have a little bit of paperwork and licensing and all of that fun stuff. And I think that is going to be a lot because, well, that's the laptop, that's the charger. I'd better get into actually setting this up and making this happen so I can test out all those fancy new Copilot features and work out whether or not, well, I would say work out whether or not I hate Recall, but of course Recall's not actually coming until they throw it onto the Windows Insider preview. So that'll be one thing I don't think I'll be able to test during my 2-week period, but we'll have to wait and see for the full review. Thanks for watching.